Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm so happy to have you here. Come along with me and let's go. Welcome to my channel. My name is Tanya. This is a Sunday, and a Sunday that I normally don't like to leave my house. I am in Canary Wharf. Yes, that's where I am. That's pretty embarrassing. Canary Wharf. Anyway, so it's a brunch, so I'm just gonna go and let's go. Pretty sunny out here now. Go on and on. Is that a tree over there leaning away? Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Tanya. I'm so happy to have you here. I'm gonna get this right. This is Canary Wharf. I keep saying Canada Water because I just had to get the train from Canada Water to come to Canary Wharf, so the whole cat is actually getting me all confused. I've actually been down here before, but it's not a regular place that I come. It's absolutely iconic, it's beautiful, and I'm going for a bit of brunch with my friend, and I'm supposed to be trying to find my way to where they are, and I'm actually here doing this for you. So yeah, this is Canary Wharf, okay, in the UK. Absolutely amazing place, and such a shame that I actually don't come down here often. But I've been where the riverside is. I've actually been on the boats before and stuff like that. So a lot of people, you can see them here actually having a good time. But let's just show you what's popping. I naturally don't like to come out on a Sunday. Sunday for me is a reset sort of day, but every now and again I guess you just gotta like force yourself, because all I ever do anyway is work. Anyway, so I don't know what is going on with the hair, but the wind is blowing the hair all over the place, but I just the hair, it's but mine either. Yeah. Yeah, I guess all the women are going through the same similarities with the hair. It's not hairing, lots of wind. I mean, if you're wearing a wig, you need to get it right. Let me see if I can locate my friend. I'll be back. It's actually lovely. I don't want to. She said to walk straight through, so I'm just gonna keep walking straight through. I'm really useless when it comes to directions, to be honest, but let's go. Very nice. got Big Easy up there. I think I'm getting closer to my destination. Yeah, I don't like taking these kind of public lifts, to be honest with you. But yeah. I already pressed for the wrong one. I pressed -1. I'm actually going to 1. Rooftop. Gosh, so blunt sometimes. It's crazy. This is why I don't really go out on Sundays, because right now I'm really exhausted. You can see it in my face. Yeah, and I'm gonna avoid coffee. I literally hate taking these monstrous public lift, but the good thing is that this one is like proper quality, so it's not very clogged up. Do you see what I mean? Earlier on there was 2 girls in the lift with me and I felt good they got out, but I think I should be all right. Let's go. It's the rooftop garden, so yeah. Nothing. I'm all right otherwise. I'm good. I was like literally sleeping on the Windrush line. It was crazy. I love it like this. It's a different type of tiredness. Where are we sitting down, or where are you sitting down? Where? Over there? This is so cute. You guys got nice views as well. I didn't really want any seeds on my bread. I forgot to tell him to take it off.
You don't want no what?
The seeds.
Oh.
I forgot to tell him to take it off.
Yes. So we used to move that to the back of Pollock, but we never had the Pollock one.
I'm not playing. So I have to literally mute a lot of the areas in this video because of the all the songs that we're playing in the background. You all know how it goes at TNC. It was a good vibe, so I wish I could actually like play it out so loud so you guys could actually hear it. But we were just on our way back just to watch some more performances. It was amazing. The singing, everyone is having a good time and things like that. It was really, really good. You won't see my friend face because she ain't all about the vlogging. I said to her, can I just get your foot? Can I get your waist? Can I get your hand? Can I get your skirt? Go on then, go on then. But no, honestly, everyone was having a wonderful time, even though I was the first to kind of leave the whole party. It's not really a party, it's a restaurant, it's a brunch, it's a vibe, it's a soul thing, and a bit of a, Christmassy vibes and singing. Everyone is just having a good time, and that's what it should be. People should have a good time because you don't know what people are going through out there mentally, and people be out here letting down their hair for whatever reason. And I hope that if you reach this far in this video, I hope you're having a good time, because I did have a good time and I enjoy sharing this with you. Okay, so what did you have for your dinner today? A Sunday roast, or did you have just that, what is it called, guacamole thing on the sandwich like myself? Let me know, because I'm not about the Sunday roast at all.
Social media platforms, give it up for these incredible singers. Miss Meantime, Alyssa, Barrow, Miss Lewis, Sexual Attract, aka Kind of Crowd.
So as I'm very disorganized whilst actually making my way to go back to the train station, I remembered, oh my god, I have not got my, because I'm Secret Santa basically for someone in the office. We do the Secret Santa thing. A lot of you guys know about Secret Santa, and to be honest with you, the things that is on her wish list is not even what I'm getting, but at least I'm getting something. Because listen, tomorrow is work day and I ain't got time, so at least I'm just gonna get something that obviously it's a little bit of a substitution here. But I saw this store and it was still open. I was like, okay, right, let me go in there and see what I can find. The candles smell really, really nice, so I actually took some time out to kind of get something that I would have liked to get for myself. So I like to think like that, and I got, obviously like what was it again, like a jewelry box and things. And then I started snooping around the store and checking out other things, just to kind of see if there was anything else that is in this shop that was on her wish list. But oops, it's not there. So hopefully she will still appreciate what I get, and definitely not that either, because she does not drink coffee. That was quite naughty of me. Looks a bit better in the night. Guess that's what it's meant for. Had an amazing time. Such a shame because I've got work the next day and my rest is also very important. But it was good. I really don't normally do Sundays outing, to be fair, but it was really, really nice. And this is a very special friend. And so the invite was iconic. I just say the amount of coffee shop that I walk past without going in, I'm actually surprised at myself, and I can't believe that I've done that. I've literally passed Blank Street, Cafe Nero, so many coffee shops, and though I'm tempted, I have not walked in them to get any coffee at all. Yeah, what's this one here? Because she likes red. Oh no, this one is nicer. Does she make gold or silver?
But now that I know.
Just walked past Starbucks and I'm not getting a coffee. But anyway, it's time to head home. It was an amazing time. Not that I'm going to be repeating another Sunday like this, but it was really, really good. And I managed to get because I'm a secret Santa for someone in my office, so at least I boxed that out of the way by coming out today. Otherwise I may be rushing in the morning to get that. But yeah, have a look at this. Stunning. And people are literally, you've got Chase up there, JP Morgan, and you've got people either, I don't know, are they going to work, going for a dinner, what is it? People just come out here and they be having a good time, and that's what I like with, that's one of the things that I like with this country, to be fair, is that, and you've got, can I get that for you, Revolt? Yeah, I think I can, absolutely. And then obviously with Canary Wharf as well, you will have a lot of banks. So you've got HSBC. I'm sure Credit Suisse is somewhere over the other side, from I remember when I visit. So really, really good. To the Jubilee line area. So yeah, if you want to walk with me, that's fine. Yeah, great.
They kept telling me to come out outside.
And
then to the left.
Oh, yeah, don't worry. Yeah, actually.
There's 2 stairs there.
Oh, there's lots of stairs around town. Not even the Google Maps can help me, babe. Oh my God, look, they've even got a Jamaican patty shop there.
Oh, nice.
Look at that. So I don't want to actually, yeah.
That's everything.
I don't got everything. Well, Jamaican patty. All right, let's go to our Jubilee. Let's go. Yeah.
Did you not get lost? Because they kept saying.
Well, I did in the end. No, in the beginning, like when my friend was directing me, I was all over the place, to be fair. But
So many steps.
I know it's this one.
Turn left.
Yeah, I know. Yeah, I'm not good at directions either. Yeah.
So stairs there. Stairs.
There is a lot of things going on in Canary Wharf. It's crazy. It's this one here for you to get the. Yeah, this is the
No, I didn't.
Yeah, so this is the train station. You can get yeah, I think even from the Windrush line, Elizabeth line, I think. I'm not too sure. The Elizabeth. Yeah. Oh yeah, I think it's the other way, isn't it? Jubilee line. Yeah, Jubilee line here. Huh? It is actually. It is absolutely beautiful. Yeah. Because I actually captured it in the when I was coming,
Yeah.
but it was daylight. But in the night, it's even more. Yeah. Yeah.